I saw this TikToker doing something called mixing face flooding or skin flooding, and I want to try it. And I'm trying it not because it works, because this is my first time. I like how her skin looked, but I'm also trying it because I have too many toners, too many sprays, and I need to finish it. So basically, skin flooding is just applying so many toners to your skin without rubbing, though. You have to like pat and dab into your skin. So I want to try it because I have too many toners and I'm trying to finish it. But if I get good results out of it, that's a plus. And that's the beginning of the toners and the sprays. So I'm only those are regular spray hydrating sprays. They are really not part of the skin flooding, but that's because my skin is dry. I just washed it and dabbed it off. And what I used was this killer spray, and then I went in with this elf coconut. Can you see? I went in with this elf coconut mist. So now the skin flooding begins. So first I'm going in with my lightweight product, and this is Beauty by Joseon. I think I'll take that back. Yeah, so I'm gonna go in with this Beauty by Joseon, and this is what she does. She just pat it onto her skin, and she lets them dry in between each product, and your skin just absorbs it. And I'm gonna do it to my neck, but on my neck I'm gonna rub it in. I don't know what she's talking about, but it's hard to just pat in your product instead of like swiping your skin. So I don't know, you might catch me swiping my skin. If you see me swiping my skin, mind your business. But because I bet if you do it by yourself, you are gonna forget and swipe your skin, especially if you're a swiper, no swiping person. So that's the first product. You see how hydrated my skin looks? Yeah, I tried it yesterday and I liked the result because my skin was just this morning. So that's why I was like, let me come and talk to my TikTok people to see if y'all tried it before. And then I'm gonna go on with this one now. And I'm happy because this one is a mist. It has a fine mist, and I like it because of that. It doesn't spray too much, just tad bit, just a little bit, baby. And that's it. You continue applying the product. Wait a few minutes for the first layer to dry. Then you apply the second product. Wait a few minutes for it to dry. I always try to like push it on my under eyes, because my under eyes need help. Jesus, it does need help, and I know that. Like, this is my problem area and this is my problem area, and it's that time of the month, so my skin is just going through it. It reacts to literally every product. So we're giving my skin grace. So maybe if it doesn't work, we're just gonna blame it on the period. But if it does work, Miss Mixing lady, I'm gonna give you your credits. I don't know. Let's see. We're not picking up. I don't know if you could see this. I hope you could see it. Shit. So I'm gonna go in with this one. This one now is a little bit thicker. It's not watery. The same thing. It's hard not to swipe, y'all. I think if I turn it this way. Nope, I don't need that light. Probably. Oops. We're just gonna pretend like we don't know what is going on. You actually don't know what is going on. Okay, by doing that, we just burn some time. I see what it is. I have some open gaps. There we go. Give me a second. Okay, so we're going to try it again. Well, I'm just gonna go in with this one. I'm sorry guys if you guys don't see the name of the products. So sorry. I'm testing out new things. Like on my hairlines, I swipe though. On the skin, we pat. So I'm gonna go now with this one. I pray to God y'all could see this. And this is how my skin looks with my attempt to flood my skin. Hope you guys try it and let me know. And please go search her up. I don't know, her name is Mixon, Mixon. I believe that's her name on TikTok, and she does this, and you can watch her video and see what I'm talking about, because I just came across the video and I was like, I have too many products, so why not just try it? But thank you, have a wonderful day. I'm sorry if the product did not show up. The next time I come back, they definitely gonna show up. That I guarantee you. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.